This video is going to be about getting input from the user and printing the letter that they choose if it's in the word. So I've chosen a random word up in the setup function, drew out the dashes, and then sent that random word to this new function called letters. So if you'll notice, I've printed out the random word for the user. Now I'm asking them which letter they would like to see in the word. So whatever letter that is, we'll print it out. Let's see, I'm going to now say for each letter, so I'm going to loop through this rando word. And I'm going to take that word one letter at a time. If that letter in the word is the same as the one that the user wanted to see. So if those are exactly the same thing, so let's say the word is goodbye, because that was one of the words in my list. And the user said, I want to see the letter O. So as I'm going through, oops, I forgot the word in. So I'm saying for each letter that's in this random word, I'm going to go through one letter at a time and see if it matches what the user said. If so, I'm going to have my turtle write that letter out. I'm going to have them write that letter out. I'm going to change the font size to make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And then I'm going to move my turtle forward so that it can go on to the next letter. If there are more than one letter in that word that they choose, then it'll print out both of them, not one on top of the other, but it'll move the turtle forward. So let's go through this again. Which letter? For every letter, one by one in that random word, if that letter in the random word matches what the user said, I'm just going to write that letter down. I'm going to have the turtle do it. And then I'm going to move crush forward so that when we go back up to the next letter, it won't write the next letter right on top of the other one. Let's just run this and see what it looks like. So there's my word all dashed out. Now let me move this over so we can see it a little bit better. The question's asking, the word is hello. So if I type L, you can see, I have to move things over a little bit. You can see that the turtle wrote the two L's. So now it's asking me if I want to play again. If I say yes, it's going to choose a new word. Looks like it's hello again. So if I say E, it's going to type E. If I say yes, hopefully it's goodbye this time. It is goodbye this time. I'm going to say I would like to see the letter O. And it's going to be hard to see because we're kind of off the screen. But if I enlarge this screen a little bit, oh, it's waiting for me to say yes or no. Anyway, it's off the screen. So you can imagine how you would have to fix this for your Drawman game. You'll need to move your turtle in order to set it back at the beginning before you have it right. So I'm just going to say no to end this thing and let you use this to complete your Drawman game. There's my O's.